son of his 27th year, coming home to a place he'd never been before. Left yesterday behind him, you might say he was born again, might say he found almost heaven at every door. West Virginia, when he first came to the Mount Blue Ridge Mountains, his life was far away on the road, hanging by a song. Life is old, but the strength already broke trees, and he doesn't believe the mountain keeps changing like it don't last country road. Take Colorado, Rocky Mountain High. I've seen it rain and fire in the sky. West Virginia, down to my starlight, it's soft and alone. Country road, Rocky Mountain High. Together around her, Rocky Mountain High, my lady, stranger to blue water. We climbed Cathedral Mountain, saw silver clouds below, painted all the sky, missed a taste of moonshine. He tried to say that he got crazy once, tried to touch the sun, take me home, and he lost a friend who kept him to the place. I'm now lost in quiet solitude, West Virginia streets. She can't trace in every step, take me home. His side is turned inside himself to try and understand. I hear her voice, the serenity